Hi there, this is Blair of Chaos Costumes. I want to let you know that my channel is heading in a new direction. I've been going live for, let's say, over a year now, educating people and showing my process of sculpting in a program called Nomad Sculpt. Nomad Sculpt is similar to, let's say, ZBrush. I find it's a lot more intuitive and a lot easier to learn 3D rendering with. Nomad has unlocked such wonderful opportunities in sculpting and creating a smaller barrier to entry for things that I would love to make, but maybe I don't want to make a mold. It has pushed my sculpting skills to something that I never thought was possible. I've been sculpting on Nomad since about 2021, and I really want to share with you my wisdom that I've learned over the years. Since I've taught myself, there are some things that I'll probably miss. Primarily, I want to get you guys started. I really love the community I've built going live. Every time I go live, I always get asked, do you have any tutorials? Where can I find them? So here I am. So how the lessons are going to be structured is that first we're going to start out with a tour of Nomad. What are all of these tools and what do they do? Where do you find them? What point do they have and what I'm trying to accomplish? And then we're going to move on to basic sculptures. So let's take the knowledge of where all the tools are and apply them to a basic design. Then we will move to printing that basic design. After we get down the basics, then we'll start doing more advanced exercises to see what the tools can do. Okay, I know this basic tool, what else can it do for me? And then after we get down the basics, then we will move on to more advanced projects. And I will keep coming out with projects that we can do together and that you can accomplish so that you can push your skills and build your skills to accomplish your goals. One of the designs I made were these little branchlets, and I actually made these a really long time ago when I first started out, so I'm very pleased with how far I've come. The biggest thing I accomplished with Nomad is making sure my models are watertight and printable, and making sure the geometry is recognizable by a slicing program. The slicing program I tend to prefer lately is Orca Slicer, which is a combination between Prusa Slicer and Bamboo Slicer. It has all the little details in it that I can use to print successfully. So for those of you that have been here for 7 years plus, hello, welcome to the new channel structure, and for the new people that come in, welcome to the educational division of Chaos Costumes, learning how to use Nomad and practicing new and interesting skills and watching me sculpt. I'm really excited to see where everything goes. Oh, there it goes. Oh, hi, hello, I love you too, hi. Hi. Can you believe she's what 8 months old and she weighs like a bajillion pounds, and she like standing over. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hello, you're very cute. Now excuse me, please. Oh,